In this video, I'm going to show you how to change purchase account Google Play. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to do is to go to the app that we want to make an in-app purchase. So in my case, this is it. So now what we want to do is to go uninstall this app first, because there is no in-app like setting where we can change the purchase method. So after we have installed the app where we want to purchase, we want to go to our Google Chrome or any browser. From here, we want to go to play.google.com. We want to make sure that we are using the browser, not the app itself. Now in the browser, make sure that you are using the correct Gmail where you will use as the purchase method. So from here, you want to search for the app that you just deleted. Now you want to go tap on install on more devices. And from here, you want to select the device you're using. And you just want to tap on install. Now from here, you want to enter your password, and after that, it will continue the installation. And that's it. When you open the app and try to make a purchase, the right Gmail that you have logged in will be used as your current payment method. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.